Rainy rounds can turn your golf game into a sloppy mess. Slippery turf, wet socks, and lost traction. But what if I told you the number one pair on this list feels like walking on clouds even in the heaviest downpour? Stay tuned, because these waterproof golf shoes 2025 are changing the game, and the number one pick might surprise you with performance and value. Number 5. Nike Air Zoom Infinity Tour 3 Shield. Performance. Nike's Air Zoom Infinity Tour 3 Shield blends golf-specific traction with all-weather reliability. With responsive cushioning and a stable platform, these shoes provide excellent grip during rainy rounds, supporting steady swings from tee to green. Technology and features. Featuring Nike's Shield water-repellent technology and Air Zoom units in the forefoot, these shoes keep your feet dry and springy even in heavy dew or rain. A spikeless traction pattern ensures versatile grip on wet turf and dry fairways alike, perfect for golfers who play through changing conditions. Design and build. Sleek and modern, the Infinity Tour 3 Shield sports a comfortable knit upper with a waterproof coating that stays breathable. Lightweight and low profile, the design transitions smoothly from the course to clubhouse. Weight and portability. These sit on the lighter side for waterproof golf shoes, making them easy to pack in your golf bag without adding buck. Pros. Excellent bounce and comfort thanks to Air Zoom cushioning. Versatile spikeless sole grips wet and dry ground. A breathable waterproof upper keeps feet dry. Cons. Premium price point for casual golfers. May feel slightly narrow for wide-foot players. Best for ideal use. Ideal for golfers who want a blend of performance and day-to-day comfort in top-rated waterproof golf shoes. Price and value. Typically priced in the upper mid-range, these deliver value with advanced cushioning and versatile grip. Ideal if you prioritize tech and comfort over budget. Final verdict. A high-performance choice that doesn't compromise on comfort. A strong contender for serious players seeking premium waterproof golf shoes 2025. Number 4. FootJoy Pro SL Carbon. Performance. The FootJoy Pro SL Carbon is engineered for stability and traction, especially in wet conditions. Its carbon-reinforced stability plate reduces twisting under pressure, giving you confidence on slick grass and steep lies. Technology and features. With waterproof active shield and precision-lasting board tech, these shoes create a dry, locked-in fit that stands up to heavy rain. The carbon fiber stability plate adds torsional control, while Pulsar LP cleats provide all-weather traction and rotational grip for powerful swings. Design and build. Durable synthetic leather and reinforced stitching make this a course-ready workhorse. Classic golf shoe aesthetics meet modern performance in a shoe that looks as good as it plays. Weight and portability. Slightly heavier due to its stability features, but still balanced, perfect for full 18-hole rounds. Pros. Exceptional traction on wet turf. Superior stability for swing control. Premium waterproof protection. Cons. Price leans toward premium range. Stiffer feel for some players. Best for ideal use. Perfect for competitive golfers or those playing year-round in mixed weather. Price and value. A premium pick with performance features worth the investment if you prioritize traction and swing control in your best waterproof golf shoes. Final verdict. Pro-level performance with excellent waterproofing, a go-to for serious golfers facing unpredictable weather. Number 3. ECCO Biom C4 Gore-Tex. Performance. ECCO's Biom C4 with Gore-Tex is built for players who brave rain and rough terrain. Its natural foot shape and grippy sole delivers solid traction and stability on wet turf and uneven ground. Technology and features. Equipped with Gore-Tex waterproofing and ECCO fluid form sole, these shoes combine dynamic support with long-lasting durability. The Biom anatomical fit system promotes a natural stride, while the multi-directional grip pattern helps tackle rain-soaked fairways and muddy approaches. Design and build. Clean Scandinavian design with premium leather and reinforced toe caps. The build is rugged yet refined, perfect for both course performance and casual wear afterward. Weight and portability. Moderately weighted for durability without feeling bulky. Easy to walk long rounds in comfort. Pros. Gore-Tex keeps feet bone dry. Exceptional grip on wet and uneven terrain. Durable build lasts season after season. Cons: slight break-in period required. Higher price point than basic waterproof models. Best for ideal use. Great for golfers who want rugged waterproof performance with everyday comfort. Price and value: on the higher end, but justified by all-terrain traction and premium waterproofing, stand out among high-performance waterproof golf shoes. Final verdict: a reliable all-weather performer that blends comfort and durability for consistent rainy round success. Number 2. Adidas Tech Response 4-Core Rain. Performance: the Adidas Tech Response 4-Core Rain delivers controlled stability and powerful push-offs even on soaked fairways. Responsive cushioning paired with targeted traction zones ensures confident strides in wet conditions. Technology and features: featuring climate-proof waterproofing and Adiwear high durability outsole, these shoes keep water out while extending outsole life. Lightweight balance and structured support help your foot transition smoothly from setup to follow-through. Design and build: sporty, modern silhouette with breathable mesh and waterproof layers. Stylish, functional, and built to endure long walks in damp weather. Weight and portability: lightweight and comfortable. Excellent choice for golfers who cover lots of ground and focus on comfort and value. Pros: great waterproof tech with breathability. Exceptional comfort and support. Lively feel with every step. Cons: slightly less premium feel than flagship models. Performance best in rainy conditions over mud. Best for ideal use. Perfect for golfers focusing on comfort and value while still demanding waterproof performance. Price and value: a mid-range, affordable waterproof golf shoe with strong performance. Great bang for your buck. Final verdict: balanced performance, comfort, and price make this a top choice for avid golfers who play often in wet weather. Number 1. FootJoy Premier Series XP. Performance: the FootJoy Premier Series XP tops this list with elite traction, plush comfort, and unbeatable all-weather reliability. Whether it's a drizzle or a downpour, these shoes keep you locked in from the first tee to the final putt. Technology and features: featuring advanced soft spikes, Hydro-Max leather waterproofing, and a performance-tuned stability chassis, these shoes deliver consistent traction and a secure fit. The waterproof membrane blocks moisture while allowing breathability, a rare balance in golf footwear. Design and build: premium full-grain waterproof leather paired with refined stitching gives these shoes a classy look that pairs beautifully with performance. Durable and weather-ready, they also feel at home off the course. Weight and portability: comfort-oriented weight that doesn't slow you down, ideal for long rainy rounds. Pros: exceptional waterproof protection, best-in-class traction on wet grass, luxurious comfort and support. Cons: premium price tag, style is traditional, less flashy for some. Best for ideal use. Perfect for dedicated golfers who play year-round in unpredictable weather and want peak performance. Price and value: top-tier pricing aligns with best-in-class tech and durability, worth it if you want the ultimate waterproof golf shoes. Final verdict: the undisputed champ for rainy rounds. Elite traction, comfort, and waterproof performance that elevates every wet weather game. Mini Buyer's Guide: choosing the right waterproof golf shoes 2025 depends on your priorities. If you play frequent rainy rounds and want maximum grip and protection, the FootJoy Premier Series XP #1 is the premium pick. For performance and stability, the FootJoy Pro SL Carbon #4 excels, especially in competitive play. Want rugged, all-terrain traction with comfort? The ECCO Biom C4 Gore-Tex #3 is superb. And if you're after comfort and great value in a daily driver, the Adidas Tech Response 4-Core Rain #2 offers excellent balance. Think about your budget, course conditions, and how often you play wet weather rounds and pick accordingly. Conclusion: CTA. Thanks for watching. If you found this list helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment on which pair you'd grab for wet weather golf, and don't forget to subscribe for more gear guides and honest reviews. Check out our playlist on best golf gear for every season for more top picks. Which waterproof golf shoes would you choose for your next rainy round?